Hello everyone, I am Lakshman. Welcome back Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. In this video, I am talking about Java abstraction with example. So the agenda of this session is what is the abstraction, use of abstraction, how to implement abstraction in Java. Okay, so these are the topics I'm going to cover in this video. So the first one is what is abstraction? Abstraction means it is a process for hiding the implementation details and showing only a functionality to the user. That means exposing the important things to the user and hides the internal details. So, what's the use of abstraction? So, it reduces the complexity to the user. So, uh, it may be a complex, it is a technical term, technical definition you may not understand properly. Let me take an example. Consider an ATM machine. It shows some options like this is ATM machine. Suppose this is the ATM machine. It has some options like operations, withdraw money, check the balance, OK, and cancel. So these are the some functionalities to the user. Whenever the user click on the withdraw money, he doesn't know how the internal process of this withdraw functionality. He doesn't know how ATM is working. So that's we call as abstraction in Java. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, so to achieve the abstraction in Java, there are two ways. They are by using abstract class and interface. By using abstract class and interface, we can achieve abstraction in Java. Okay, first let me define what is abstract class. Abstract class means it is also a class, but we can declare class with the abstract keyword. If any class having abstract methods, that class must be declared with the abstract keyword. Okay, so the syntax for abstract class: abstract class class name. Okay, this is the syntax for abstract class. If any class having abstract methods, that means without implementation, only method heading is available, but no implementation. There is no method body, that we call abstract method. Abstract method. Abstract method means it doesn't have any implementation. That means a method doesn't have any body. So how you can declare syntax: abstract void display. Okay, so it doesn't have any body, only method heading is available, only method heading is defined, but there is no implementation of this method. So for that reason we cannot create the object for abstract class. We cannot create the object for abstract class. In technical words, we cannot instantiate the abstract class. Okay, so because there is no implementation of method, abstract method. So okay, so let me take one example, then you can clearly understand how to implement abstraction by using abstract class. For that I am going to open Eclipse in the source folder, right click on the new and take one class name as abstract demo. and select the public static void main and click finish button. Okay, so this is the structure of the Java program. Here we are taking one class name as, I'm defining class name as bike. Okay, in the bike I am taking one abstract method. How we are defining abstract method? By using abstract abstract void run. Okay, so uh, I wantedly not declaring any abstract keyword for here before class. So because it's showing a error. See, the abstract method run in type bike can only be defined in abstract class. That means we have to define abstract keyword here. Okay, so now there is no error. Okay, if any class having abstract method, then we should declare that class with the abstract keyword. Okay, right. Then how to implement this method? So for that, to do that, we need to create a new class Honda, by using extends the keyword, implementing the method. To implement the method, public void run. Okay. And here system system out button. So Honda bike is running. Okay. So this is the way to implement a abstract method by creating new class and extending the abstract class. Okay, then for which class we need to create object? Is this abstract class or normal class, ordinary class? We can create the always for normal class only. We cannot instantiate the that means we cannot create the object for abstract class. Okay, so for that we need to create the object in main method. So Honda h equal new Honda. Then then how you can call that method, class method, Honda class method, by using object reference name dot method name. What is the method name here? Run. Okay, now save the program and run the program. To run the program, click on the run button. See here output, the output will be here, Honda bike is running. So this is the way to implement abstraction by using abstract class. So remember these points, guys. Whenever the class having abstract method, the class must be declared with the abstract keyword, right? So we need to implement those methods by creating new class, right? So this is the process to create an abstract class. Okay. So then how to implement it? How to achieve abstraction by using interface? Here interface means, what is the definition of interface? Interface means it's a 100% abstract methods. All are abstract methods only in interface. Whereas in abstraction, in abstract class, whether you create abstract methods and concrete methods as well, no problem at all. But in interface, all are having abstract methods only. Okay. So how to achieve abstraction by using interface? So um, let me give an example, then you can clearly understand. I have already created one test class here. See here I am taking one class. So the class name is test. Okay. So I have taken here interface name as A, and I defined 4 abstract methods. By default, compiler will take the all are abstract methods only within the interface. Okay, whether you are declaring or not, no matter. but it considers all methods are abstract methods only. Okay, so we need to implement these methods by implementing class, new class. I are taking on B class and implements the A. Okay, so all abstract methods are I implement here. I am A, and here I am giving B, and here I am giving C, and here I am giving D. And then I am creating the object for which class? Class B. See here. Okay, new B. I'm creating object for class B. Okay, here I am taking just a reference. This is the actual procedure is there in Java. You can just give the reference to the interface. Okay, but we are actually creating the object for B class here. But we are using reference of the A interface. Okay, so by using reference we are calling all the methods whatever available in this method. Okay, so because these all methods are implemented in which class? Class B. That's why we inherited all these methods in this class B. Okay, that's why this class having all the methods here. Okay, so let me check. Let me try to export this program, save this program, and run this program. See the output. So I am A, I am B, and I am C, D. Okay, so this is the way we can implement the abstraction by using interface as well. Okay, so we need to you need to remember some points about abstraction. The first point is in Java you cannot create an instance of abstract class using new operator. It is a compile time error. Okay, so the second thing you must remember, abstract is a keyword in Java which can be used with both class and method. We are using abstract keyword for class and methods shown in already shown in our example program. See here, for class also we are having abstract, and method also we are using abstract keyword. Okay, so abstract class can contain both abstract methods and concrete methods. So you can also declare this is the abstract method. We can also declare some concrete methods also, no problem at all. Okay, so abstract method means, what is the abstract method means? It doesn't have any body, just a declaration only. We are just declaring the method. We don't have any method body. Okay, so the third thing is a class automatically becomes abstract class when any of its method declared as abstract. See here, whenever we are declaring any abstract method, the class must be declared as abstract. I already discussed this point. So these are the things you must remember while defining or declaring the abstract class. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this concept. So thank you for watching.